What's up guys, I'm here with Jay from HPP Racing. We got a little video for you. This is a small build, nothing crazy, but just let you guys know what kind of stuff we're getting done over here. So Jay got this truck ready. It's a 2016. You can get this kind of stuff at Classic Chevrolet right here. You go to Classic, buy yourself a truck, and we get it ready for you. So Jay, I called ON3 turbo kits. The guy wanted to get some boost, get some power. Gave it to Jay, and what'd you do once we gave you the kit? Give some people some idea of what you'd like on this.
Yeah, this is a really nice kit. It only took me 2 days to install. Everything came really good.
2 days?
Yeah, 2 days.
So what am I gonna pay you for a week?
Yeah, well, that's what happens. It's a really nice kit. Everything worked out really good. I didn't have to do anything crazy like on other people's kits. You got to change all types of stuff. But everything worked really good.
Was this a single turbo?
Yeah, single 70. And PTP hooked us up with their blankets. We love their product. And some wrap, like this is stuff from PTP that we get that wrapped all the AC lines just to make sure everything's all nice.
Just so you guys know, the reason this PTT stuff like he's talking about, it creates a lot of heat down here when you add the turbo, and it affects your wiring. And what else? I mean, when
the AC lines and just stuff that's close
just to protect
that's rubber that you don't want melting, because that turbo gets really, really hot. All your exhaust is going through it first and then out through the back of the truck. It's a 5.3. We dynoed it 2 days ago on 6 pounds and made 500 horsepower, like 501 to be whatever technical, if you want to be technical about it. But it needs more fuel. That's it. It's a direct injected motor. And but for look at it, it's a 4-door cab truck for 500 horsepower. Ain't no one gonna know. I'll start it here in a second. You won't even know anything was done to it.
And that's with big tires too, so that'll rob some of its power, won't it?
Yeah, yeah.
And
it's
just
285, 45, 22, and those wheels for real.
I love that intercooler from ON3. That's a big old intercooler and stuff.
Yeah, you barely even see it. I almost painted it black just to be more sleeper, but the guy wanted to see it because he wanted everyone to know he's got a turbo.
Did he not want to get the bigger injectors or no?
It's expensive.
What, the injectors?
Like
oh, so that's probably why.
It's an LT4 pump. It's like $2,000.
Oh, because that direct pour crap.
Yeah, the direct pour. So we're gonna
Chevy, don't do that direct pour crap. That shit sucks.
We're gonna solve it. We're gonna put meth on it, and then that'll take care of it. He'll go up to 10, 11 pounds, make 600, and then just have meth.
He should be happy with 600. It's a badass little truck anyway.
I would be happy with the truck.
You're gonna start this up for us so we can see it? I love the intercooler though, man. Right there on the grill. Is that how ON3 wants it on?
Yep.
Hell yeah. It looks good. It's not. Oh, this is pretty quiet.
It's really quiet.
Damn, I like it. So it doesn't, even when you rev it, it's quiet?
Yeah. It's got some flow mass.
I'll rev it in the back. Show them where the exhaust is so you can.
It already had like an aftermarket exhaust system on it with tips. All I did was just hook up the existing pipe that they had and.
Damn, dude, this thing's really, really quiet. Nobody would know. Even through a Flowmaster, not my favorite in the world, but I like MagnaFlow a lot better for some reason.
They would know once it took off.
Huh?
They'll know once it took off.
Oh, for sure. That is definitely a good sleeper. It's a nice little lower truck. But this is just a small build so you guys can check out what we do here. Like Jay said, he got it done in a couple days. We get you these videos together. I'm gonna get you some more builds. Check out the ON3 turbo kits. Check out our website. We can sell them to you, ship them directly to you if you don't want us to install them. We can ship it out to you anywhere you are in the country. Jay, great job, buddy. Appreciate it. Awesome. Oh, no corona, corona. Now here, we gotta make them hook up because you know it's a truck. The weight on the back, you know, it makes it want to slide a little bit. And if you don't want to be sliding, it ain't raining, but you got too much power, we're using these cowl tracks. These cowl tracks are pretty simple. They got nice joints. They're perfect. They're easy bolt on. You can do these at home. This is basically just bolt on. It's not that hard. Alfredo! Oh, he's hiding. Put it in the air so they can see where this is gonna go. I want to show them how it's bolt on and it's easy. If you could put it in the air for me. Alfredo's real camera shy. He doesn't like to be on camera. So that's why he's like, get the hell out of the way, please, just let me work. All right, guys. I told you it was bolt on earlier. It is a little bit of bolt on, but there's gonna be a little bit of changes. You gotta actually drop the tank, so this might not be as easy as I thought to get done at home. Some of you are still mechanically inclined, you could probably get it done, but if you see here, we had to drop the gas tank, and when we're trying to connect these, we're trying to figure it out with the thing if it can make it, but it's not gonna clear. I'm gonna verify it with the company, but it looks like we're gonna have to cut some of the leaf spring off. Is that what you're saying, Alfredo? We're probably gonna have to cut some of this off?
Yeah.
Yeah? So, I guess we'll keep working on that. We'll put it back together and give you an update. I thought it was gonna be a real bolt on real quick. It's taking a little bit of time. So, wish us luck. We're gonna try to figure it out. All right, guys, we're here on the truck. Let me just show you how this is basically gonna go. We're not taking it off, just getting it tight. So as you can see, you're gonna get rid of your leaf springs. It's gonna come right in here. You're gonna get it in. After obviously removing this, it comes up. You're not gonna have this in the way, obviously. So you can see how basically it's pretty much bolt on. And then you come over here, and this, you're gonna replace it here, and your Caltrax is gonna go here. This is Caltrax, that's the company that makes it. It hooks up great. We've used them a couple times. It's a nice little piece. So let us get that together. We'll get the truck washed, show you the dyno run, show you everything so you guys see how everything ended up coming out. Obviously, you gotta remember, this is the Texas package. I don't know if this is what you need, but to make your truck complete, you definitely want some dice right on your wheels. Anyway, guys, just making a dumb joke, but subscribe to our channel. Tell me if you like the builds. Tell me what you think of this truck after it's done. Let us know, good, bad, ugly. Remember, I'm not a snowflake. It's not gonna hurt my feelings. Y'all have a good day. Bye.